the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. The bells on bobtail ring, they make our spirits bright.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Lizzie. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will not miss my video. If you are old subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. So today I received a package from About You. I have a video before about this website. It's very good website, and is I think in Zurich. Here they have it in Zurich. Yeah, in Zurich. Why I like order something from there, what I don't like or what is too small for me. Most of the time I use small and I use medium. Sometimes small can be too small for me, sometimes medium can be too big for me. I don't really have like this, but mostly I use medium. So if there is any cloth I think I don't like, or I can just return it and they will return my money, or I have to exchange the dress or anything I order from the website. So I always like to order from there. This one, I think this one is skirt. So when I order more, I get 10% discount. You see? But what I'm looking like this now, I don't know if this one will be too big for me. Like the shape, it look like old clothes. Like, yeah, I will try this one. But let me just open it. We will try it together. Here is the big box. I just have to take the rope little bit by little, in case there is any one I can return, then I can use the box to return it. This jacket. I think I will just go to that side and be opening it and be putting it on. Let's see how it look like. So here is the skirt. I have to open this. What do I think for this? This one looks too big, but it's good for shoulder because I have a wide shoulder. But yeah, it look good. This one is jacket. Wow, yeah, I like this one. because I have one before, then they start peeling for the back side. If I put it on, everywhere will just feel dull because it's leather. So whoo, I like this one. I will take this one. It's almost cutting, like it's not tight. The button. Oh. This one, I like this one. And this shoe, the shoe looks so beautiful. Like I see it there. I just ordered 27 for Emily. So here is the shoe. What I mostly order is jacket, like bracelet. Yeah, bracelets, jackets, same. This one is dark blue. This one is muddy. Expensive one inside. And it's very heavy. Wow. How you guys see this one? I love this. Pocket here. I like this one. I think I will take this. The last one is this. It's still skirt, but leather skirt. I think I will like this one because the first one I think is too wide. Hi, I will take this one. How do you guys see this one? I love this one. Is like you can't wear it out. It's just summertime. Like if I can put this one on when I put on like long boot that is up here. I have a boot that is up here. It can go like this. Then put any jacket. I like this jacket, but I think it's too big. I don't like the way it's big, like compared to the one I have before. This one is medium, but very small. Like I'm more comfortable of this one. Now it's going to be tight. See this? So I was looking for something like this, like not too. This skirt I was really hoping, which is too big. I don't like the way it's too big. Maybe I will take it. No, I don't like the skirt. So guys, here is the final look. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification. As I said before, leave a comment down below which one is your best outfit here, which one do I have to return. I'm going to upload this video today, so that let me get a feedback from you guys and return the one I want to return and keep. I believe I will be keeping this jacket, this skirt jacket, the leather skirt jacket, and this one. So what I will be returning now, I will take 3, then I will return 3. Then I have to change to small size, or if they don't have small size, then I can just leave that. So please subscribe for more. That is it, guys.